In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Lists for task management. We'll walk through creating and customizing task lists, assigning responsibilities, and using various views to visualize your projects, all aimed at enhancing your productivity and keeping your tasks organized. First, you'll need to start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Lists. Once you've navigated to the Microsoft Lists homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your login details. Once signed in, you're ready to start creating your list. Begin by selecting New List. Here, you'll have the option to choose from several templates. If you want to get started quickly with predefined options like status, priority, and due date, select the Task Tracker template. Of course, if you're feeling creative or require full customization for your projects, starting with a blank list is also an option. Next, it's crucial that you give your list a meaningful name, such as Q4 Marketing Projects, and provide a descriptive explanation of its purpose. This ensures clarity, especially if you're collaborating with a team. The heart of any task list is its columns, which define the structure of your list. Click on Add Column to start building a custom setup that fits your needs. For delegating tasks, the Assign To column is vital as it allows you to assign tasks to one or more team members. Including a Status column with options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed, and On Hold will help you track task progress efficiently. Also, don't ignore the Priority column, where values like high, medium, and low can help you focus on what's most urgent. And of course, the Due Date column is crucial for setting deadlines and keeping track of when tasks are due, even enabling alerts for upcoming deadlines. You can add more columns as necessary to suit your specific workflow requirements. Once your columns are set, it's time to start adding tasks. Click plus New to create a task, which will open a form allowing you to fill out your custom columns. To assign a task to a team member, type their name into the Assigned To field. Once you've added a task, clicking on it will show its details, where you can use the comments section for task-specific discussions. Don't forget to add attachments to support your tasks with relevant documents. Now, let's explore how you can view these tasks. Microsoft Lists offers several views to make your task monitoring more efficient. The Grid view is your default, displaying tasks in a table format. Calendar view helps you see tasks based on their due dates, perfect for visualizing deadlines on a monthly or weekly basis. Meanwhile, Board view allows for a Kanban-style visualization where you can group tasks by status or priority and drag and drop them as needed to update their status. Finally, creating a My Tasks view is a great idea for filtering the list to show only tasks assigned to you. This personalized view provides a focused dashboard of your workload, making task management a breeze. Following these steps will help you use Microsoft Lists effectively for task management, keeping you organized and enhancing your productivity.